turn on and off. To turn on the Remote Assistant, press and hold the OK button until the two startup screens display. The battery status screen and your home screen will normally display after the startup screens. If this is the first time the Remote Assistant is being used, the Select Language prompt will display instead of the home screen. If a processor is not paired with the Remote Assistant, the No Processor Paired screen will display. To turn the Remote Assistant off, press and hold the OK button until the menu displays. Switch Off will already be highlighted. Press the OK button to select.